Hey, we were just in the market for a new vacuum cleaner, and after a bunch of research, this is the one that we picked out. And I want to give you a quick review of it just to help you make a good decision with this. This vacuum cleaner, it's called a Featherlight. It's by Kenmore. True to its name, it is actually significantly lighter than the previous vacuum cleaner we had. That's a huge advantage. Especially we have a two-story home, so you're lugging that around. It's nice to not have all the weight, the bulk. It's quite light, and that is a huge plus. A couple of things that are really nice about this. It's got a onboard storage for all the attachments. A lot of vacuum cleaners do. These actually seem to keep it in place. I've had vacuum cleaners where they have a holder for everything, but the second you bump them, they're just gone everywhere. These actually seems to keep these locked in place, and I really appreciate that. Great cord storage, cord management, that's fantastic. It's got a fairly low profile nose on it, so it does fit underneath the furniture as well or better than our previous one, which is great. It does have a reduced suction mode, and you say, why would you want to do that? Well, sometimes some carpets, small like runners or something like that, if the suction is too strong, it'll actually just suck the carpet up and mess everything up. So it's nice to be able to have that reduced suction feature if you want to. Very easy to clean. It does a great job with pet hair. We've got two fairly large dogs. Just does a great job cleaning up after them. It actually has a cutter inside the bristles, so if you get like long hairs or threads kind of caught in there, it'll actually cut those for you. Well, thankfully, we haven't had to use that a lot, but I love the proactivity of the designers in thinking that through. It was also very easy to assemble. Obviously, it didn't come exactly in this size. Putting it together was really no problem at all, which I think is amazing. So this has been a great vacuum cleaner. We've been using this for a while now, and you can actually see it's not, I didn't even empty it for you, so you can see what it looks like full. But it's been a great fit for our family and a solution for what we are needing. One more nice feature is that it works pretty well on the stairs. It's not so big that if you're rested on a stair when you're going up, it's falling over all the time. So if you're looking for this, I would recommend checking out the Kenmore Featherlight. If you like the lightweight, if you like the onboard storage, if you like the great cleaning abilities, I think this is gonna be a great vacuum cleaner for you.